top 5 proxy for school Chromebook. The first things up is gonna be now.gg. So let's go ahead and head over to that website. Now, this specific proxy for school Chromebook has its own games. Um, they have plenty of games. You could also browse some more. They have stimulation games and many more. Now, let's proceed on the second link. Second link is gonna be quizlet.gq. Let's head over to that website. Now, this certain proxy for school Chromebook is actually a browser. Now, all you just have to do is to research anything like maybe Discord, YouTube, or whatsoever. So basically, you can actually search for anything for this proxy. Proceeding on the third one is gonna be zend2.com. Now, this actually works the same on Quizlet.qg. You can search for anything you want. So let's go ahead and search for the fourth proxy. It's gonna be flipgrid. That's flipgrid.cf. Here you go. So again, works the same. You can search for anything you want. You can even play games in it. Proceeding on the last link, that's gonna be neil.fun. So it works the same. It has like games in it. You can browse for anything. Pretty much you can do everything on those top 5 proxies for school Chromebook.